Okay guys, welcome to today's video. Today is my October Boxycharm unboxing. I feel like I saw a spoiler for this at one point and now have completely forgotten what it was. So is it really a spoiler? Probably not. I think I know the category of what I was spoiled on, but I didn't look at it and I don't remember the brand name anymore. All that to say, this should be pretty much a surprise to me. So let's open it. I always try to hold it so I don't see into it. Okay, what is this? What is this? Okay. What? This is called Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask Intense Exfoliating Facial Mask with Compression Lace Support. So this is, I don't know if you can see, it's really bumpy in here and I can feel like things that are hard, like there's something hard right there. And that's crazy. So it looks like it has something in there that like straps onto your face to keep the mask in place. Lace Appeal Bamboo Charcoal uses a naturally blend peel paste formula with bamboo charcoal, aloe vera, and chamomile in conjunction with a compression lace mask. Ugh, that sounds intense. That sounds very intense. Okay, we're gonna have to check this out on camera because I am so curious about what is in this bag and I have not tried anything that straps onto your face like that. Okay, the next thing we have, oh, let's get this. This seems like some kind of pencil or pen. What have we got? Okay, not enthusiastic about this. It's a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This, I think, is what I was spoiled on, and I can't believe I forgot about this. I am not interested in using or trying or promoting any Kat Von D products for a couple of reasons. The most recent one being sort of her anti-vaccination stance, which is stupid. So I'm not going to talk about that, and we're going to move on with the rest of the box. I will say, though, that I feel like after apologizing for having Laura Lee's stuff in the box 2 boxes ago, that they would pay a little bit more attention to whose brands they are putting into Boxycharm. So I'm not particularly happy about that. Let's move on to the next thing. Oh, this is a big container of something. Okay. This is the IT Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I have tried this before from an Ipsy. The box came fairly open. A small trial one in Ipsy subscription. This was actually one of the first reviews I ever did on my channel, so I'm going to link the review to this down below. But that's exciting. I believe I remembered liking this. I'd have to go back and take a look at the video. But it'll be good to have another mascara on hand. So far, I'm definitely most excited about the peel-off mask. Okay, I've got like a bottle of something, a spray bottle of something, and what feels maybe like a palette. So let's start with the spray bottle. Okay, it's a Brio Gio product, which is awesome. I do like their products. This is a Strength and Moisture leave-in mask, which I kind of need. I have been wearing my hair up in a bun so much lately just because it's been such an easy thing to do to just get on with my day, but I know it's not great for my hair. I've been getting breakage in my hair. It's just not great for it, but the convenience factor is winning out over the hair factor. But it'll be really nice to have something to put in. Strength and moisture is definitely what my hair needs. So I'd be interested in trying this out and letting you guys know what I think of it. And for the last product, it feels like a palette. It is a palette. It is a pure palette. We get a lot of pure palettes in Boxycharm, which I don't mind. I quite enjoy pure palettes. This is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. It's going to be hard to see, but you can see very pretty there on the outside of the box. So it looks like it has, a few face products and then some eye products. Unveil your true beauty with this 10-piece face palette that is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. So here is the actual palette. It's got the same pattern on there. Ooh, it opens up like a book, which is kind of neat. They've got a tiny little bit of a mirror there. And then they have shades that can be used as blushes and I believe a highlight and a bronzer shade, although all of these can always be used as eyeshadows as well. And then it looks like shimmer shades and a matte shade. But of course, these can also be used for transition shades and matte shades. So that is kind of cool. I'm actually very excited about this. So in my box, I'm going to ignore the Kat Von D product. I am kind of okay about getting this product. I've tried it before. I don't remember it being so blow my mind crazy that I went out and bought it, but I'm happy to have it. And these three products I am very excited to try out. I'm curious if you've received your Boxycharm yet, what the variations were. Maybe let me know what you received, what you're excited about, what you would like to see reviews on, and all of that. Leave that in the comments down below. I do try to respond to every comment that I get. If you liked this video and this unboxing, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to my channel, you can click there. You can click here to watch another one of my videos, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!